Google's keynote 2023, Google has announced to incorporate its generative AI into its search engine. So what it will do is that it will take data from all the websites and combine it and generate the output. So what it means is that irrespective of whether the article is search engine optimized or not, the Google is going to fetch the data from it because it needs to generate the output which is more accurate and comprehensive. So it will mainly focus on that only. So will this make the websites irrelevant? So it's not like website will be irrelevant because Google still needs the data, but definitely the engagement and the visits to certain articles and websites will definitely reduce, and as a result the Google ad revenue is going to reduce too for the websites. And because Google will not be able to show the ads on the generative AI as it was able to show the ads on the websites, Google will have to find a way to incorporate the Google ads into its generative AI tools. So whether search engine optimization will become irrelevant or not. So definitely it can become irrelevant because generative AI and large language models can be trained to write articles in such a way which can incorporate right keywords and right functions that will make the article search engine optimized. So because of the generative AI prompt that is getting into the Google, the websites that only depend on the information giving are going to be affected. But the websites that are tools website and offer some functionality and give some functions like the video editing tools and different kind of tools that websites give, they are not going to be affected. So generative AI and large language models in the search engines are definitely going to affect the websites, and search engine optimization can become irrelevant in near future. So that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, share, and subscribe if you want. Thanks for watching.